Today we will discuss about the drug contraindication in lactation or breastfeeding. So we will discuss about some drugs which can enter into infant's body and cause adverse drug reactions during the breastfeeding. So many mothers are required to use drugs or medications during their lactation. Most of the drugs are transferred into breast milk in some extent, and they may carry potential risk to breastfeed infant. Though most of the drugs are considered as safe in breastfeeding, as the drugs are transferred into breast milk to small extent, and the amount of the drug is usually too small and unlikely to cause any kind of adverse drug reaction in the infant. Then also, providers should weigh the risk and benefit of the following parameter. First of all, the need of the drug to the mother. Second, potential effect of the drug in milk production. As example, there are some drugs can affect the milk production, like prolactin is important for human milk secretion, may affected by many drugs like dopamine agonists such as cabergoline. The cabergoline is usually found available in market in the name of capgoline. So third of all, amount of the drug excreted in breast milk. Fourth of all, extent of oral absorption of the drug in the infant. Fifth, any potential adverse effect of infant by the drugs. And last of all, the age of the baby. So in this video, we will discuss about some key drugs or the group of key drugs that may affect or may contraindicate it in breastfeeding mother. A simple formula I have applied over here, that is breastfeeding. If you consider the spelling of breast, B stand for benzodiazepines. So class of benzodiazepine drugs should be avoided at the time of breastfeeding, like diazepam, alprazolam, clonazepam, etc. that may cause adverse effect in the infant. R stand for radioactive isotopes. It should be avoided at the time of breastfeeding. E stand for ergotamine. A is very important. A stand for amiodarone. We know that it is very commonly used drug. It is an antiarrhythmic drug. Patient, those who are having irregular heartbeat, they are using this drug. So amiodarone should be avoided at the time of breastfeeding. Also A stand for antineoplastic drugs, means anti-cancer drug. Then S stand for stimulant laxative. Though stimulant laxative are contraindicated in breastfeeding, but Dalculex is safe at the time of breastfeeding. So except Dalculex, other stimulant laxative should be avoided at the time of breastfeeding. Now last of all, T is also very important, tetracycline. Tetracycline is a group of drug comes under antibiotic. It is very commonly available drugs like doxycycline, minocycline. These all drugs are used for several infections. So tetracycline should not be used more than 3 weeks because it can cause adverse effect in infant. As an example, staining of teeth can be occurs in infant. So breastfeeding women should avoid tetracycline drugs. There are few drugs should not be used at the time of breastfeeding. So before taking any drug at the time of breastfeeding, you should consult with your consultant or doctors as well as your pharmacist. Also make a note that when you are a breastfeeding mother, you should avoid alcohol consumption and cigarette smoking also, to avoid any kind of adverse reactions or adverse effect in your baby.